Dear friends, my name is Branislav Škripek and I'm a member of European Parliament from Slovakia, and I'm also a president of European Christian Political Movement, which is a political power within European Parliament and International Democratic Christian Party. A few days ago, you heard me supporting Marijane Petir, a Croatian candidate to European Parliament, to European elections. I gave her my endorsement, hoping that she would join Croatian sovereignists to make Christian voice stronger in European politics, which is a really important issue. And I have learned that she didn't accept the invitation to Croatian sovereignists to go to elections together, which I have to expect. Every politician have freedom to make his or her own choices. But I have to say, Christians in politics need to be united, not divided. But I do understand this problem goes along Europe among Christian political parties too many times, and I do experience it as well in Slovakia. I still wish to Marijane Petir her success, as she is a Christian candidate, and my duty as the president of the European Christian Political Movement is to promote all Christian candidates across Europe. However, I have to stress that my personal and ECPM's wholehearted support goes to Croatian sovereignists who are ECPM member Hrvatske party and its leader, my dear friend Ladislava Ilčića, whom I know for a number of years and who is also a member of our political ECPM board, and he does all of his duties with all of his effort in very good manner. I know Ladislav for years, as I say, and not only he has very clear Christian attitudes, but also he launched so many good but also difficult actions in NGOs and political sectors in your country. He really wants the world to be filled with the joy and love of Jesus Christ, and is therefore highly devoted and sacrificed in what he is doing. I strongly recommend him as a good favorite to your decision in elections to send him to European Parliament. To make Christian stronger in European Parliament, please vote for Croatian sovereignist and Ladislav Ilčića. Vote Christians. This is a good choice.